Nĩ thĩinĩ wa gĩikaro na kanjo ya kĩbũrũri ya gũthingatithia ihoto, President William RUTO onekire gũtũkoyanio nĩ wongerereku wa ikuũ kumana na mĩtino ya barabara, akĩera makinya mana ihenya gũtacũkio nĩguo kũhukia ndeto ĩno.
This big problem we are trying to solve here can be sorted out with just two interventions: instant fines and vehicle inspection. Things within our purview and our reach.
President nĩ athanĩte kugathikwo gwa kamera cia CCTV na macini cia guthima ngari thibindi thĩinĩ wa mataũni matandatu manene kwa ihinda rĩa mweri ũmwe, arĩ imwe ya njĩra cia kũhĩtana na agarari a mawatho ma barabara, akiuga ndeto ĩno nĩ yarĩrĩirio mũno na no nginya ciĩko cioneke igĩkĩka.
Rolling out the cameras is not rocket science. We've had cameras before on the roads, so let us roll out cameras in is it 5 or 6 major towns in Kenya in the next 1 month. And those cameras are already connected to the whole framework of instant fines. Is that correct?
President arenda kugathikwo vaini cia hau kũrĩ arĩa manyitikana na mahĩtia ma barabara, akiuga ungumania ũrĩa ũcangagĩrwo nĩ abithaa aregenyũki nĩguo ũcangĩire hanene harĩ wagarari wa mawatho ma barabara.
We do not need to argue with offenders. The cameras will provide foolproof evidence that they are in breach. Number two, we do not have to go and bother the Chief Justice in court. The fine will be predetermined. When you have committed the offense, you will have a fine on your phone instantly.
With strong political will, sustained investment, and collective responsibility, Kenya can significantly reduce road traffic fatalities and restore order and safety in our road.
Arenda gacira ga kuheana mahaki kahingwo kaimana na njĩra cia kĩhoto ciarĩrwo mĩtaratara mĩhũthũ.
Rising fatalities, systemic corruption risks, infrastructure gaps, and weak digital integration make it clear that road safety reform must now move from pilot phase to full national transformation.
Our behavior on the roads is contributing immensely, including drinking and driving, people driving anyhow, a very bad border culture that seems to have become now the norm.
On police and integrity reforms, the report recommends the deployment of body-worn cameras for traffic officers, strengthened continuous vetting and integrity testing, enhanced anti-bribery mechanisms, and improved welfare supervision and working conditions for enforcement officers.
Aigĩte ikuũ iria ciumanaga na mĩtino ya barabara nĩ ciongererekeire na gĩkĩro kĩnene, kũrĩa o mwaka makĩria ma andũ 4,000 makuaga, mĩtino ĩrĩa ĩtwaragĩrĩria bũrũri ũyũ hathara wa makĩria ma ciringi bilioni 450 oro mwaka. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.